it's NJ here and I'm from KSK Makeup. I just want to review a few products because I've had issues in the past where you buy one product and it promises to do one thing and it never happens. Plus the skin tone never is quite spot on. So today I'm going to look at Avon True Colours, and the colour I have chosen is Pure Beige, and also MAC. Now I love MAC products. This one is NC40, so hopefully both of these tones will tell me which one's the best match for me. So let's have a look. First of all, I'm going to use the Avon True on half of my face. So wait. So as you can see, I'm just applying the Avon True colour to half of my face to see. So you can see so far the colour, it's not bad. I'd say it does suit the tone because I'm one of these people who have a hint of yellow tones, and I'm more of a yellow tone person as opposed to warm tones. So therefore it's quite a bit difficult to find my sort of foundation. They're either too dark, too light, never an in between. But so far, touch wood, True Colours seems to be doing the job. Right, okay. The only thing is I find its coverage isn't as high as I'd like. I'd like it to be a bit more thicker so it can get rid of... I have a few blemishes there, as you can see. And with this tone, it's sort of more obvious to people. So therefore you want to be able to hide them. But I'll use my contour kit. I've got my contour and concealing kit. So that will help cover this. So, okay, that's half with the Avon True Colours. Now let's move on to the MAC. Okay, this is my MAC NC40. I do like my MAC a lot, as I keep saying. MAC has been one product that, you know, I find that since buying it, it is one that the colour will stay all day. It can last me, I put my makeup on in the morning and I don't need to touch up. And it's fine. So for everyday use, it is good, but can be a bit expensive. So that's why I wanted to try out different foundations, you know, a cheaper brand to see what's going to be better for me to have as an everyday foundation as opposed to a foundation for special occasions and a foundation for, you know, ones for when I go out. I'd like to look good on a night out, so therefore I want to spend that bit extra on foundation. But here it goes. I'm just using a brush for this one. I find that using a brush is easier with the MAC because of the thickness of the foundation itself, whereas the True Colours, it's a palette form. It's one that is it's one that turns from cream to powder, and I guess it's quite compact in a sense, to be honest, compared to this MAC. But the one thing I love about MAC, and as I said to you, I have blemishes. It is a thicker coating for MAC. So if you want that thicker coverage, then I'd probably go with the MAC foundation, because it's covering, as you can see. Can you see it's covering my blemishes? Need to add a bit more to it, but it does the trick. It does what I need it to do. So what I'm going to do is, now I've put the MAC on half of the face, I'm just going to use my blending sponge and just blend to make sure it's all even. Always do it to your neckline when you do your makeup, making sure you've got everything covered. You don't want an uneven look. So that's how I look. This side is Avon True Colours, and it's the compact, the going from cream to powder. This side, it's the NC40 MAC, and it's a Studio Fix that I'm using. So out of the two, I would say both of them are as good as each other. They feel good. I don't feel too oily with them, because some foundations you'll find are very oily and you can feel that on your skin. So far, it's feeling good. It doesn't feel overwhelming on the face, not too, like I said, oily. But when I feel on the side of the Avon, it does feel very, you can feel the powder effect taking into place, because it is one that goes from cream to powder. Now what I'll do is get rid of all this, put on one shade, and then I'll put the foundation on evenly, correctly. This was just something to show you guys. I would recommend, if you want an everyday foundation, then, and cheap for, say, if you're going for work or school, definitely use the Avon True Colours, because it does the job. But the only thing that Avon don't offer is skin test. When you go, you don't have a representative to show you the different shades available. You have to sort of guess to see which one's going to be most suited to your skin. Now, one thing I don't like is people always compare the foundation on their hand skin, but as you can see, my tone on my hand compared to my face is totally different. So I would say is clear a part on your face if you've not got any if you've got foundation on, clear it, and then if possible test a bit on your skin, if there is an Avon representative who carries samples with them. Otherwise, it's going to be, you're going to have to check what is best suited to your skin tone on your face and not your hand. So with MAC, they do offer that service. You can go there and say, hey, I need a foundation that suits my skin, that's going to be good for me, everyday wear, something that you want for 15 hours, 8 hours. They will recommend the right foundation for you, and they will suit your skin. So they will match their foundations up, the various foundations up with your skin tone, and that'll help. So I recommend, yes, I would use Avon again, and I would use the True Colours. And for my outgoing foundation, MAC is the one. I definitely recommend MAC. MAC Studio Fix, because it does last. I mean, you can see that the MAC that I did apply has more yellow tones, and I have got yellow tones in my skin like I explained earlier. So yeah, MAC is one to go. So anyway, that's the end of this video. I will review something else next time for you, and maybe go into eyeliners and eyeshadows, because I love eyeshadows and doing them. I love how to emphasize the eyes. And well, anyway, that's for next time. So keep watching on KSK Makeup. Thanks, bye.